Hi there, welcome to Crochet Basics. For today's video, I wanted to show you how to make a single crochet. I think this is the best place to start if you want to learn how to crochet. So first things first, I have some cotton yarn here. You're welcome to use acrylic yarn if you want to. And I have my 5.0mm hook. For any yarn that you have, usually on the packaging it says which hook size you need. In this case, I can use a 4 or a 5. I have my 5 here on my hand. So let's just start. To do some single crochets or any type of stitch, you need a chain first. So I'm gonna do a slip knot. You wrap it like this around your finger 2 times. Then you pull this string over here. Then grab the other string, pull it over your finger, insert your hook, and there you have your slip knot. Okay, so for me it's easiest if I hold my hook like this. I know some people hold it like a pencil. For me it's more comfortable like this, whatever you prefer. And for my yarn, when I started crocheting, I made the mistake of holding my yarn right there with my pinky, and it gets painful after a long time. So you just have to wrap it like this, in and out. That is the best way. So to start, you just yarn over like this again, and just insert it inside the loop on your hook. Again, yarn over and pull that loop, okay? Or through the loop. Yarn over again through that loop on your hook. Yarn over and through that loop on your hook. So easy as that. For this project, I'm gonna do 21 chains. I want my square to be 20 chains, but we need an extra chain, and I'm gonna explain to you why. Okay, I have my 21 chains here, and the reason I need an extra chain is because you're going to start doing the single crochets in the second chain from the hook. So you don't count the loop on your hook, you count the chain that is already made. So not on this one, but on the second one. On this one, not on this, on this, the second one, because you need a space to turn. So go into that second chain from the hook, insert it, grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and go through both of those loops on the hook. Again, go through the next chain, grab your yarn, yarn over, and go through both loops on the hook. Again, go inside that third chain, grab your yarn, yarn over, and go through both of the loops. So easy as that. You can keep doing this as wide as you want. You can also do more than 21 chains. It's up to you how much you want to practice. So after finishing my first row, this is how it's looking. Okay, that is a single crochet. And if you want to continue on to the next round, you are going to chain 1, turn your work, okay? And the same, go into that first single crochet you have there, both of those loops that look like a bee. Grab your yarn, yarn over, and go through both of the loops. So you're gonna do this as wide as you want if you're doing some squares or you are just practicing. This is how it will look. I did a small square here. So you can see it's pretty tight. It's almost solid. So this is a great stitch if you wanna make a solid blanket, a solid blouse, nothing see-through. I mean, So it's perfect for beginners, it's perfect for practicing if you are starting to crochet. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this first video for crochet basics. If this inspires you, you are welcome to keep watching my crochet basics playlist. So I'll see you on the next one.